My name is teacher. My oral presentation. My name is Franco Panes Jimenez. 1. My daily routine. Hello, my name is Franco. I wake up at 7 a.m. I was brush my teeth and take a shower. I usually studied in the morning and, and I sometimes go to the gym in the afternoon. I know I never write coffee because I prefer to sleep early. My last in preference. I like pizza and pasta and don't like coffee but I love tea. I love wearing comfort cookies like jeans and t-shirt. I sometimes buy new shoes but I never use Jakes and Simon. My family routine. My mother works the Monday and Friday. She always cook dinner at home. My father goes at that office either day. Eh, He usually we a sweet and tea. 4. Using possessive. It is brother favorite t-shirt. That is my mother favorite recipe. My father cast is very good, but I love it. 5. Question for new class. 1. Where do you live? 2. What do you usually eat for breakfast? 3. Do you play any sport? 4. What music does your friend like? 5. Does your teacher get you a lot of homework?